Okay, looking into the camera now, head down. Can you move your hair out of your face so we can see your face? Yeah. My Hasselblad story began when I was just a young teenager, many years ago. Witnessing the beauty and craftsmanship of the 500 series cameras was mesmerizing for me. Bring it closer. Yeah, there you go. Okay. I remember getting my hands on an early brochure. I would fall to sleep at night just flipping through the pages and dreaming of the day when I could hold one in my hands. And just looking away now that way, to look through that mysterious waist-level finder. With this simple and beautiful image-making machine, I could be anything, unimaginable and wildly creative. Good. Yeah, a little bit of movement because I want to be able to choose the best picture afterwards. I'm always thinking... Okay, good. I remember being obsessed with the legendary Carl Zeiss lenses, the sharpness and contrast, and for their rendering of the world. German precision lenses combined with the silky smooth mechanics of the Swedish Hasselblad bodies. This thing had it all. Years later, working as a commercial portrait photographer, traveling around North America and photographing some of the world's most elite athletes, my goal was to create strong and striking portraits of these heroic individuals. Today, street portraits are my passion, and the Hasselblad is there with me. I use many cameras, but I found that with the Hasselblad, I always made a stronger connection with my subjects. I would look through the viewfinder and speak to the people I photographed, framing my image in that large ground glass that is the medium format experience. The Hasselblad has always been the best tool for portraits. Looking right into the camera now, right into the lens. There have been so many great masters of photography who chose the Hasselblad as their tool to make iconic portraits. It seems the Hasselblad and the photographers using one demand more of that artistic respect we all strive for.
There's a kindness in your look, which is the last thing I want. It hasn't got any guts yet, you know. Keep the head straight onto me and the chin down.
In 2020, we can take an old vintage and classic marvel like the Hasselblad 500 cm and combine it with the latest technology digital backs from Hasselblad. The rest is left to the imagination. I've always believed that inspiration was hands down the most important thing to have, far ahead of anything else. But how do you find endless inspiration? When I hold the Hasselblad in my hand, I am never short on that thing that makes me want to go out and make great pictures. So you see, I know that the equipment in itself can never make you a better photographer. And just back up now. Now back up where you were before and bring your knees up again. And bring your head closer to the camera. But if that thing you hold in your hand allows you to feel something special, then that can be the initial inspiration for you to make great work. Follow me on my journey as I continue to explore what can be done with an old Hasselblad 500 cm and a modern digital back. Point in that direction, in this direction. Yeah, good, just like that. Just hold. Hold for a few seconds. And back into the lens now. Great. Awesome. Thank you.
Were you recording?